Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you guys a really quick, just easy way to put your hair in a messy bun. Maybe you haven't washed your hair in a day and you don't want to wear it down. This is just a really easy way to get your hair to look cute without having to wash it and actually do like a whole style. So what I'm going to start with is putting a little bit of a bump in my hair here. So to do that, I'm going to start just like at the very top, kind of the middle of my head. I'm just going to take like a slice. So you'll see it's just like a flat, kind of like a slice here. You guys see this? And I'm going to back comb it. So I'm going to use my comb here. I like to use the fatter side. It depends. Some people like to use the thinner side, but I like to use the fatter side right here. And I'm just going to start by combing back. I'm going to go in like this, go out all the way, go back up. Do you see how I'm doing that? So you can build the hair right here. So go down, out. Okay, so here we have this. Then I'm going to go back and grab another slice of hair here. So another thin slice, comb it up, same thing. So I'm going to comb down, go all the way out, comb down, all the way out. And I'm going to do one more. So another slice of hair right here. Go down, go all the way out, go back down. We're just building up hair there at the bottom. Okay, so I have it all. So here's my poof. I'm also going to take a slice on the side here that's angled. Comb it up, and I'm just going to go down, all the way out, down, just to kind of build that hair there. Same over here, a slice right here. Got some of the back hair. Okay, so I'm going to go down, all the way out, down, down. Okay, so I have this. Now I'm just going to kind of comb it lightly with my brush. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to take, I like to use rubber bands. It's up to you guys. Rubber bands are not the best thing for your hair, but do what you want to do. Okay, so here I have my hair kind of patted down. So now I'm going to take it in the back. My hair's shorter, by the way, so if your hair's longer, your bun might need to be done a little bit different. So you can either do just an actual ponytail. Otherwise, take your hair. With me, I like to separate my hair into two parts, like that, and then I'll just fold one under over here and one under over here. So start with this side. I'm going to fold this under. Go to this side, fold this under. Then I'm just going to wrap my ponytail around it.
Get a bake!
Get a what?
That big was right up there. That's full of candy.
My son would like an Andy's Mint. He just went potty. Okay, so here's my little bun.
I don't want Andy's Mint.
You don't? Then I'm going to, at the top, I'm just going to kind of round the bottom here.
Mom.
Okay, so there you have it. So now I just want to kind of pull up my bangs, and I want to pull up the hair just a little bit.
Mom.
Kind of give it the messy look, honey. Do you want to say hi? Good morning.
Mom.
Okay, so here you guys have it.
Mom.
You can see it's not overly poofy. It's nothing too crazy.
Mom.
If anything falls out like this right here, you can just kind of tuck it under. Max is grabbing my arm fat. That's what I kind of do throughout the day too. If anything falls out of my bun, I just kind of tuck it under the bottom there.
Mom.
Yeah, so there you have it. Now I'm ready for work. Thank you guys.